It's my birthday and we are going on a 7-island tour. And it's my first time in the back of one of these on this trip. Songtao, it's the Songtao. Just had a nice haircut, got a beer, time to rock and roll. Do you think they have to take a photo of everything they do? Yeah, she just took a photo.
Probably evidence.
Yeah, but like everything we've seen, everyone we've seen, seems to be taking photos. Like whether we're just waiting for a bus to take a photo of us. Have you not noticed them?
I've noticed them taking pictures, yeah.
Yeah. The start of the 7 Islands trip. We're back with Stephen.
Stephen from Koh Tao.
Stephen from Koh Tao.
Or who they let in Koh Tao.
Yes, I guess.
Stephen who identifies as somebody that now comes from Koh Tao.
How long is this trip, Stephen?
Still 8
What is it, 8 hours?
Something like
8
that.
hours, yeah.
Where can they find your travel blogs?
At winging.abroad. No, hold on, that's not it. At winging.it.abroad on Instagram.
There we go. For all of the 3 people that will see this,
Yeah.
go and find it.
Welcome to Riley Island. When the bus stop, we have to walk that way to Riley website, to Penang Cave or Penang Beach.
Railay Beach.
Yeah.
On the other side. We're just walking there.
Apparently you can only get to Railay Beach by boat.
That boat ride just ruined my fantastic haircut. So, this is one of them videos where you see the reality that you don't see on Instagram with the endless tourists. Don't know if you could tell, but there's a monkey up there.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I was like, what is everyone looking at?
There's a monkey just staring right at us. Hello, buddy. How's it going? This is incredibly impressive. There is a man up there rock climbing. Good on you. And this is Railay Beach. Very lovely spot. Check it out. Look at the lovely trees, the dramatic scenery. The rock over there. Railay Beach time. Oh my god, you scared me! What incredible scenery! I hope that comes out as clear as I can see it. That is unbelievable. Fucking excessive, isn't it? What's going on? Do not offer 5 things to Penang. Sex toys, red water, red flower, traditional Thai costume, strange offerings. Note, she isn't a god, she is Indian. She believes in the phallus or lingam as a symbol of the Hindu god Shiva. Please show respect accordingly. Thank you. And the same again in Thai. What incredible scenery. Look!
Very cozy.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Holly ruins everything. Look. Happy birthday, dear Paul. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, we've got another boat incoming.
Maybe I won't be leaving.
No. There we go. Can you take the phone?
So this is Tup Island. T-U-P. Tup. Like Tupperware. Or top of the morning to you. Such a dad joke. Oh wow, this is a leap. In
What?
Thai, leap is Thin Island.
I need to stay on here forever. Another dad joke.
Another one, two. There you go. So I was just explaining, this is a leap.
Leap. Thin Island.
So nice.
Oh, so usually you can walk straight across there then, I guess.
I've got that.
Yeah, that must be what they're saying. Well, I hate you. Screw you. Screw you. Come on then, let's see how much a beer is. You know they're going to sting us right in the tourist trap. They can charge what they want. Right, Chang, big can, 180. Good God. So, 100 for the grilled corn. As much as I love it, I'm not willing to pay that. Paid 40 for the last one. Sawadee ka. Woo. Just beautiful, eh? So in low tide you can just walk across there, but typically we arrive on our little tourist trip at high tide. I could swim that, like look at it, really? But since we only get to spend like half an hour here, it does not. What an incredible spot. So this is the second of 2 islands. So second of 7 islands. Beer is 180. 180 baht. So there's 40 baht to a pound. So 40, 80, 120, 160. It's like £4.50 for a beer in Thailand. Fucking take the piss sometimes. But we are on an island, they have to import everything. I'll just wait until the next spot. Wait till the bottles come out, because they're bigger. That's just, yeah, 180 for a large chang. I've just paid 100 for a small one on the boat though, like an idiot. Ah, what the hell was that? A rope. I reckon I could walk there now. Look. See that? It's a chicken island. Let's say it looks like a chicken. Kind of does from certain angles, but I'm not so sure. Lovely though. That's where I just walked to. Across that place that they said you couldn't walk to on high tide.
Right, you holding on?
Whoa! Woo! Thanks. They're all over the place in there. Where? It feels like all that too.
No problem, we have
What's that? Oh!
A few moments later.
at all these people. Look at this incredible obelisk-like structure. It's a good word, isn't it? Incredible picturesque scenery. Horrible jellyfish to look at.
Evil thing.
I have been stung all over by God knows what. I don't think it's a jellyfish. Could have been. But don't know if you can see how pink this is. There and there. And there, and there, and all, yeah, it hurts. But, just forget about it and look at the wonders of the nature. Here's Holly doing her best to be creative.
Time to go?
Yeah.
Worried how close I was to the jellyfish.
Nowhere near.
Oh God.
Even the breeze hurts this.
Really?
Yeah. I'd love to know what it was. But there was loads of transparent things. They looked like tentacles, small tentacles. And you just couldn't escape them. They were everywhere. But
Glad I didn't get.
I conquered it and still backflipped in on the next spot. And
We saw.
clownfish. We saw clownfish in the wild, which is incredible. Just eating away at an enemy.
Right.
Enemy going blah, 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 blah. Crazy backpackers. We love it. Right, barbecue time, I think. Dinner on the beach. This all looks lovely. I'm very excited about this. That's what we get to look at. Beautiful, right? Time to eat. Look at this happy little motorbike. It looks a bit sad when you look at it like that, and then you get to the front. He's very happy, smiling away.
Okay, everyone, guys, we are saying the birthday for him. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! So nice! Oh my God! Thank you very much.